There's nothing I love more than pie except baking pie with someone else, so I can't wait to bake with all of you at home. I'm Erin Jean McDowell, and this is King Arthur Baking School's Holiday Pie Workshop on Demand. Join me in this class to learn how to make my famous extra flaky all butter pie dough, a black bottom pecan pie, a sweet potato pie with toasted marshmallow topping, a double crust apple pie, and an extra special cranberry cream pie. I'll show you all the tips, tricks, and techniques you need to make your best pie yet. And any of these pies are sure to stun on a holiday table. And most importantly, I'm gonna teach you how to make a sturdy pie. Find this delicious class and so many more at kingarthurbaking.com/on-demand. This class is going to be so much fun.